Hey everyone, in this WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create an e-commerce website using only free themes and plugins. I'll start by showing you how to install WordPress and then install the WooCommerce plugin. Once you have WordPress and WooCommerce installed, I'll show you how to add products and create your first online store. I'll also show you how to customize the look of your store using themes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functioning e-commerce website that you can use to sell products online. First, we are going to need some hosting, and I recommend this website called WP Winning. I'm going to delete my old one so we can start from scratch. Now let's go ahead and create a new WordPress. Make sure you have the WooCommerce option ticked down here, then click Create. Now let's head to the admin panel and log in with the account details we just created. Next, we are going to add a theme. So we go to Appearances, Themes, and click Add New. Search for the theme Bosa, B-O-S-A. This one here, and click Install. Now click Activate. Click Get Started with Bosa Storefront. Scroll down a bit and click Import. Answer Yes. Once that is finished, click Visit My Site, and let's see what it looks like. As you can see, there's quite a few things wrong with this website. Most of all, there's two menus when we only need one. And if you scroll down a bit, you've got a big gap over here on the footer. So let's start by customizing the homepage. Okay, scroll down to where it has homepage settings and create a static page. Change the homepage to one called Home, and then the posts page to one called Blog, and hit Publish. Now let's fix this double menu problem. So we'll go back into Menus, Primary Menu, and tick this box here. Then hit Publish. Next, we'll fix the footer problem. So once again, go back, and then we'll go into Footer, and scroll down so we can see it. Then Footer Widgets, and change it to 3-column. And hit Publish. Now let's take a look at our website by closing out of the customizer. Great. Next, let's change this first product. In my case, this is going to be a coffee grinder. So we'll go to the dashboard, go to Products, and change this one here, the first one, by clicking Edit. So I don't want it to be sneakers. I want it to be a coffee grinder. So let me fill out this information. And change the product image. Okay, great. Now let's hit Update and see what it looks like on the front page now. Perfect. It's looking really good so far. Let's quickly edit with Elementor and see some of the things that we can do. Let's start by cleaning up a few of the unwanted tabs down here. So this one, New Fashion Products, it's looking a bit ugly with 8. So let's make it only 6. So we'll select and got to go to this one here. So hopefully we can click on it, and we'll change the number down to 6. So that way it looks a bit neater. And then what else? Best selling. Yeah, we'll do the same thing. Why not? Maybe we'll only make it 3. There you go. So you got the 3 best selling. This tab is not really needed, so we'll just get rid of it. Testimonials. We don't really have any testimonials yet, so we'll cancel that. And that's Elementor for you. Then we'll go Update and head on back to the main website where we've got one more thing that I want to change. Let's give it a tagline under the heading by going back to our dashboard, finding Settings, going General, and pasting in our tagline right here. We go down and hit Save Changes. Now let's have a look at that. Much better. Finally, I want to hit the website with a load of traffic to make sure that it can handle any spikes and it won't go down. And to do this, I'm going to use this tool called Loader. Let's start a new test and call the test Shop and we're going to hit HTTPS with 250 clients in 1 minute. So it's simulating 250 people hitting the website within a minute period, which normally would overwhelm any WordPress installation. So let's get run test and see how it goes. As we can see, it's doing quite well, 159 milliseconds, which is pretty incredible. Okay, the test is finished, and there was 250 successes, and the average was 165 seconds. And this is all thanks to this WP Winning application. So I can honestly highly recommend it. Thanks for watching my WordPress e-commerce tutorial. If you would like to see more videos just like this one, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.